children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I would like to explain you social assignment of class 8. Topic is money and banking. Let us see the questions which are given in today's assignment, right? If many loans are written, how will this affect the working of the bank? Yes, here as we know very well, children, money makes many things, right? Money and banking, how these are interrelated, we'll see now. If many loans are written off, the banks will not have the capital to pay interest to the depositors. And at that time, if they return off, what happens here? They don't have enough money to pay the interest for the depositors, right? Most of the people, they go with the fixed deposits and all, the amount which is going to be fixed in the bank. For that, they won't get any interest. Bank also cannot issue new loans for the people. Yes, at that time what happens if there is no loans written? If the loan who have taken the loan from the bankers, if they don't give it back, it would be impossible to increase the amount to pay the rate of interest for the depositors and all. Bank will also be closed and it will give a great impact on every individual and the nation. Yes. Bankers nowadays, bankers and banks are very helpful, and this is a source for the many things, right? Even for the housing and even the many different loans where we could get from the bankers. If the people, those who are lending the loan from the bankers, if they don't repay it back, they are unable to run the system. So at that time what happened, if the people, those who have taken a loan from the bankers, if they are unable to repay it back, what happens generally? Banks have to close down, and it is going to impact on every individual and even the nation also. Let us move on with the question number 2. What are the disadvantages of keeping money in a bank? Let us see few disadvantages of keeping money, depositing money in the bank. Banks will not work on holidays. Yes, generally we know that banks, they are not going to work on the holidays, right? So we cannot get loans or withdraw money in need of an emergency. But the present scenario, as we are not facing any problem, why? Because we can go with the net banking system also, right? We have got different facilities, and the transactions have been changed compared to the previous days, right? ATMs are not available in rural areas, but at the present time, not only the rural and the urban, wherever, to whomever you want to have the transaction. The transactions may be done with the net banking or the another sources we have to transfer the money, right? And the only literate person can perform the activities of the bank easily. Yes, the disadvantages. Illiterates cannot perform the activities of the bank, whatever why? Because they don't know how to read and write, right? An illiterate person cannot perform well. The reason is he was not educated and he was not able to read whatever the deed, whatever the information which was given by the bankers. Comparatively, banks take a long time in issuing loans to the people that the money lenders. Yes, usually we can see that compared to the bankers, money lenders, as we go directly and we can lend the money, but bankers, they are going to take a long time in issuing the loan and all, right? But generally, I feel and everybody feel the same thing that instead of lending money from the money lenders, it's better to go from the bankers. You to take the money or to have these loans, different types of loans we have, housing loans and different loans we have, car loans we have, education loans we have. It's better to go and to approach the bankers, right? Let us see the question number 3, children. In what ways would be minting of coins benefit the ruler? Yes, minting, the making of this royal mint, the minting of coins, how it is benefited, how the coins have been benefited for the rulers. The trade transactions in their kingdom will be perfect. Yes, if they mint the coins, the trade transactions, whatever they do, that will be very much perfect. This strengthens their treasury also, and whatever the gold, whatever the treasury they have, it is going to strengthen it. Minting coins is an industry. Yes, it is a minting coin is an industry. The income through this also strengthens their treasury. Like where they are going to mint the coins here. Like they print their favorite designs on the coins. Yes, generally they are going to have this minting of coins. They are going to have their favorite designs, what they like most. They are going to give the designs on the coins when they mint it. This act enables the future generations to know about the interest of past people. Yes, as which it is very much helpful that how the people were very active and how they were the one who showed interest at the past time, where by that at the time of contemporary issues like at the present time we would able to learn many things from these all the past things, right? And these are the today's assignment questions, children. Thank you all.